The benefits of fasting on health. A comprehensive overview. Fasting, an ancient practice with roots in many cultures and religions, has recently gained attention in the health and wellness community. This practice involves abstaining from food or specific types of food for varying durations. Beyond its spiritual significance, modern science has revealed numerous health benefits associated with fasting. Let's explore these benefits in detail. 1. Supports weight loss and metabolic health. One of the most common reasons people fast is for weight management. Fasting helps the body shift from burning glucose for energy to burning stored fat, a state known as ketosis. This metabolic switch can 1. Promote fat loss. By utilizing fat stores, fasting can lead to significant reductions in body weight. 2. Improve insulin sensitivity. Fasting enhances the body's ability to regulate blood sugar, reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. 3. Lower cholesterol levels. Studies suggest that fasting can decrease LDL, bad cholesterol, and triglyceride levels, improving heart health. 2. Boosts brain function. Fasting has profound effects on brain health. 1. Neuroprotective benefits. Fasting stimulates the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, which supports neuron growth and improves cognitive function. 2. Reduced risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Research indicates that fasting may lower the risk of Alzheimer's and Parkinson's diseases by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. 3. Enhanced mental clarity. Many people report improved focus and mental sharpness during fasting periods. 3. Reduces inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to various diseases, including heart disease, arthritis, and cancer. Fasting can 1. Suppress inflammatory pathways. Regular fasting lowers levels of inflammatory markers in the body. 2. Improve immune system regulation. By giving the digestive system a break, the body reallocates energy to immune functions, potentially enhancing resilience against infections. 4. Promotes cellular repair and longevity. Fasting activates a process called autophagy, where cells remove damaged components and regenerate healthier ones. This has significant implications for 1. Longevity. Fasting may slow the aging process by reducing cellular wear and tear. 2. Disease prevention. Autophagy can help prevent the accumulation of damaged cells, which may lead to cancer and other chronic conditions. 5. Improves digestive health. Periodic fasting can benefit the digestive system by 1. Allowing rest. The gut gets a break, leading to reduced bloating and improved digestion. 2. Balancing gut bacteria. Fasting may help reset the microbiome, promoting a healthier balance of beneficial gut bacteria. 6. Enhances heart health. Fasting has been linked to improved cardiovascular health through mechanisms such as 1. Lower blood pressure. Regular fasting can improve arterial health and reduce hypertension. 2. Reduced oxidative stress. By minimizing free radical damage, fasting protects the heart from age-related wear. 7. Encourages mindful eating. Fasting fosters a greater awareness of hunger and satiety, helping individuals 1. Break unhealthy habits. It provides an opportunity to reset dietary patterns. 2. Develop healthier relationships with food. By focusing on nutrient-dense meals during eating windows, fasting promotes balanced nutrition. 8. May aid in cancer prevention. While research is ongoing, early studies suggest that fasting may 1. Enhance chemotherapy efficacy. Fasting can make cancer cells more sensitive to treatment while protecting healthy cells. 2. Reduce cancer risk. The autophagy and reduced inflammation associated with fasting contribute to a less hospitable environment for cancerous growth. Types of fasting. There are several fasting methods, each with unique benefits. 1. Intermittent fasting. If alternating periods of eating and fasting, such as the 16-to-8 method, 16 hours of fasting, 8-hour eating window. 2. Extended fasting. Lasting 24-72 hours or more, this type is less frequent and typically requires medical supervision. 3. Time-restricted eating. Limiting eating to a specific window each day, such as 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. 4. Religious fasting includes practices like Ramadan, where fasting is observed during daylight hours. Precautions: while fasting offers numerous benefits, it is not suitable for everyone. People who should consult a healthcare professional before fasting include: 1. Those with eating disorders or a history of disordered eating. 2. Pregnant or breastfeeding women. 3. Individuals with chronic illnesses or specific medical conditions. 4. Children and adolescents. Conclusion: fasting is more than just a trend, it is a scientifically backed approach to improving physical, mental, and metabolic health. Whether practiced for spiritual reasons or health benefits, fasting can be a powerful tool for enhancing overall well-being when done mindfully. However, as with any dietary approach, it's essential to tailor fasting to individual needs and lifestyles, ensuring it is both safe and sustainable.